So today we're going to be cooking a nice, easy dish, nice and simple. It's just going to be a pea soup. You can use it as a starter or you can use it as a lunch, a bit of sourdough bread, anything like that. Right, to start off this simple pea soup, we just need to cut up an onion and 2 cloves of garlic. Fat man's look.
It's the angle.
So we just roughly chop the onion. It's all going into a blender anyway. Okay, so we're just going to peel this garlic and roughly chop it up as well. And we just need to chop that finely. Right, so that's the prep done. Let's get the pan out and start frying it off. The first job we've got to do is a little bit of oil. And then we're going to fry off our onions for 3 to 4 minutes. So we've just got this on a medium to high heat, and we're just going to start sauteing these off for about 3 to 4 minutes. This is the hardest part of the whole recipe. So we've done that for about 3 to 4 minutes. We're just going to add the garlic just for the last minute. And this is just one of those simple recipes. If you've got a bag of frozen peas in the back of your freezer, it's a quick lunch you can knock up. Right now, so we're going to add our peas to the pan, about 600 grams. And then we're going to add 600 millilitres of veg stock. Okay, so you could use chicken stock, veg stock, whatever you've got, but we're keeping this to a vegetarian dish to a certain level. So we're just going to stir this up. We've got to bring this to the boil and then let it simmer for 10 minutes. This has been simmering for 10 minutes. You could use this method for any type of vegetables for a soup. You could use your root vegetables, carrots, etc. So we're just going to blend this up. Okay, so we're just going to add a little bit of the double cream. So now we're just going to season it well, and your pepper. And then we'll give it one last blend. Right, so that's all blended up. This can be frozen if you want to put some aside. We'll get probably 4 to 6 dishes out of this. So let's serve. Right, so we're all ready to serve up. Colours in there, fantastic. And what we're going to do is just a little bit of cream. We've already seasoned it very well. And then optional for your meat people, we can always add some pancetta or some smoked bacon just chopped up finely. And there we have it, our pea soup on a budget.